The Harman P43, P61A, and P68 are among the most popular pellet stoves on the market today. These environmentally responsible heating appliances are clean burning, maximizing the heat from each piece of fuel, which saves money while preserving the environment. Able to deliver the exact amount of heat you want when you want it, these stoves use Harman Pellet Pro and ESP technology to burn any grade of pellet with high efficiency. Simply set the desired temperature and fill the hopper. The stove will automatically ignite and maintain consistent room temperatures within 1 degree of your set temperature. The large glass viewing area allows you to relax and enjoy the warmth and ambiance. These direct vent stoves do not need a chimney, giving optimal installation versatility. A solid steel body with a traditional cast iron door and decorative options provide a distinctive design element in any home. The Harman P43, P61A, and P68 are powerful pellet stoves offering even heat, easy maintenance, and distinctive features. Harman pellet stoves, built to a standard, not a price.